It's like blue lava. Don't slip. Smells like rotten eggs. It's delicioso. Muy delicioso. About 5-6 minutes away. That was the bumpiest road of my life, but we made it. $1 for parking. All right, y'all, I'm here. I made it. The sun is out. That was a crazy ride. A little over 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours, 2:20. Got me a little Starbucks, so I'm wired. Ready for this awesome adventure. Let's go. El Salvador es asombroso.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Gracias, señor.
Gracias.
It's like a $3 entry fee. It's really beautiful here. Wow. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another adventure. It's me, PD, and I am in El Salvador. Ooh, this looks amazing. It's already been like a crazy adventure, guys. Like, I highly recommend El Salvador. It's crazy. I've been watching this place on YouTube for the past few months, and now I'm here. Wow, that's so nice. Wow. El Salvador is full of adventure. Yeah. Wow, guys. Woo. This is amazing. This right here alone has made the entire trip, everything, worth it. Like, this is incredible. It's worth traveling around the entire world just to see this. I'm gonna get some drone shots, y'all. I'm like the only one here, which is crazy. I guess it was worth it to get up at 5:30 in the morning. I feel like this spot's gonna get more popular in the future. This is definitely one of the main reasons to come to El Salvador. People are amazing, the food is so good, and they got amazing waterfalls. All right, guys, I could literally stay here all day and just like hang out. Like, imagine having like a picnic right there. This is actually part one of today's adventure. I'm actually gonna hike the Santa Ana Volcano. If you watch videos of El Salvador, like top 10s or something, the Santa Ana Volcano is usually on those lists. But I feel like this should be on the list too. Is this a El Salvador hidden gem? I don't know. But it's on my top 5 list for sure. Yeah, I kind of want to go over there, but I'm not even gonna mess around.
2 seconds later.
I guess I can go over here. I won't get too close. Probably just stick right here. El Salvador's got it all. All right, y'all, I really don't want to leave. It's only 9:26 in the morning, but we still got a volcano to hike, and I want to get back before all the traffic starts. Gracias, señor. Cuídate. This is my nice little Kia that's been getting me around. Man, couldn't ask for a more perfect, beautiful day. All right, y'all, next stop, Santa Ana Volcano. All right, it's actually another hour and a half drive to the Santa Ana Volcano. I thought it was closer, but that's all right. Whew, I'm here for the adventure. All right, let's go. Just want to show you guys how bumpy this road is. Yeah. That's how you know that you're here. Love it. Just gotta go slow. Alright.
So,
¿Cómo te llamas?
I'm Alex.
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 Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, bro.
Yeah, this is my tour guide, Alex.
Hey.
Yeah, they're being nice and letting me do the hike because I got here just in time. So, but yeah, it is beautiful. Like El Salvador is muy bonito.
Does help to your life.
Oh yeah.
Not just physically, also in your mind.
Mental health.
Yes.
See.
Exactly. All this.
I agree. Yeah, so you get a workout every day.
Yeah.
Probably stay fit.
Yeah.
Stay healthy.
Not too much.
Papusas.
I love pupusas.
Burn those papusas off.
Of course, you're traveling because you want to get a new experience.
See.
You have to remember where we come from. We're nature.
Right.
We're coming from the Mother Earth.
Yeah, I feel so lucky that I got here in time for this hike. It's crazy. So it's about hour and a half, 2 hours up the hill, 3 to 4 hour trip all the way around. It's gonna be a workout for sure. Ooh, what's up, what's up? Wow. This dog is Chihuahua. He likes exercise. I wish that was my dog. I think we're almost there. Oh, so not quite, not quite. This is so sick. Already burned almost 700 calories. This dog has made it. Good dog. Chuchas. Guys. Finally made it. Wow. Wow. Look at that sulfur. Wow, that's amazing. 35 minutes? New record. Bam. 35 minutes. I wonder what's like the actual record. Don't slip. Wow. It's like blue lava. There's blue lava in El Salvador. Over there? All right. See, Alex knows. That's crazy. Whoa. That's crazy, man. It's amazing. That's so sick. I think it's time for some drone. I wasn't able to get the best drone shots because it's really smoky today, but that's okay. There's always next time. Alex was saying that if you smell rotten eggs, that's the sulfur. You can definitely smell it now. It smells like rotten eggs. All right, wow, that was a lot of adventuring for one day. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'll be 32 years old. We're gonna go to El Tunco. So we'll be in El Tunco mañana. So expect that in the next vlog. Today was such an amazing adventure. Like, El Salvador is exceeding my expectations. If you have any thoughts of wanting to come here, like, I highly recommend it. Just thanks guys for watching. I always appreciate it. If you want to see more, just check out my Instagram, PDS Adventures, as well as my Facebook page. Likes are always appreciated. Look forward to more adventures to come. Appreciate y'all. Wow, how does it stay cold?
Okay.
Let's
I think he
see.
has dry ice in it.
Oh, there we go. That works.
Not it's so sweet as a pineapple.
right?
But
It's delicioso.
I told you.
Muy delicioso. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you from here or where are you from?
We're from Houston.
Houston, Texas?
Uh-huh. Where are
Nice.
you from?
San Francisco?
Nice.
Yeah, my first time in El Salvador.
Are you doing
It's-
a solo trip?
Solo. It's
Awesome.
my birthday tomorrow, so I always go somewhere new.
That's
Thank you.
nice.
Yeah.
How old are you turning?
32.
Wow.
32 years young.
I know.
I went to Costa Rica for my 30th. I went to the Philippines for my 31st last
Nice.
year. And I was like, El Salvador's popping off. Like, it's getting popular.
It is,
So I'm
it
like,
is.
I gotta check out the volcano.
Yes,
And
yes.
yeah.
Good
So-
thing you came up here right before the cloud did.
I know, right? I got a little bit. I got some drone shots, but I got some pictures though.
So what are you doing next?
So I'm gonna get a massage and
here?
get a burger.
Oh, where?
San Salvador,
Okay.
and then El Tunco tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
And then I leave on Sunday. But I've already done like the San Salvador volcano. I just came from. It's called El Salto something. It's like a waterfall.
Oh, you
It's
did
so
that?
underrated. Like no one's like really
We're
talking
doing
about
the
it.
ATVs there.
The ATVs.
Yeah, we're doing it on, was it Monday?
Well, check out
Sunday.
check out the waterfall too.
Yeah.
It's
It takes
gorgeous.
you to the waterfall.
Yeah, it's a really bumpy road.
Yeah.
Like it's super bumpy.
Have you been to the lago? That's
No.
That's where we're headed to right now.
Okay. I gotta. This is my first time, and like my family want to come here next, and like I've already made some friends, so
That's good.
I'm like I gotta come back
What's
to.
your handle on Instagram?
Oh, let me give that to you right now. Let's see. I'll get your Instagram.